Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zelle app for sending funds to Kraken, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Zelle app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Zelle. Press the search button to find the app. Locate the Zelle app in the search results. It is usually indicated with a blue icon featuring a white Z. Tap on the Zelle app to view its details. Click the Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Read through the terms carefully, then tap Agree. Next, you'll need to enter your mobile number or email address. Choose the method you prefer to register your account. If using a mobile number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Check your messages and enter the verification code in the app. If using an email, follow the instructions sent to your inbox. Once verified, you may need to link your bank account to Zelle. Follow the prompts to select your bank from the list. If your bank is not listed, you can still use Zelle through the app directly. Fill in the required information to connect your bank account. This may include your online banking credentials. After your bank is successfully linked, you can start sending funds. Now, to send money to Kraken, open the Kraken website or app. Log in to your Kraken account with your credentials. Navigate to the funding section where you can deposit funds. Select the option for depositing via bank transfer. You'll find details on the amount and the account information needed. Return to your Zelle app to send a payment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.